And I request all the parents also to visit each and every student's project, and please give the encouragement to them. This event is organized by Srivani School JR Colony Headmaster Sri S. Rajesh sir, and also the correspondent of Srivani School Institution P. Vijay sir. Our students are very happy to share their excitement and happiness is unlimited.
I'm very happy to came here, and we are from Srivani School of Venkateswaram branch. We are very happy to spend some time with you, and really did a very good job. No words, no words. When I'm asking questions, really fantastic job. Sure. So we are very happy to Mr. Rajesh sir, who is handling here for his guidance, and the parents also very cooperative and they feel responsible. So very good, and Vijay sir is also doing fantastic job. And here Suman sir is also doing a part of it. Very happy to see, and really very good. And God bless you all. That's what I want to tell. Very happy. Carry on, very good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Your appreciation means a lot, Madam.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Asita. I am from Venkateswaram campus, science teacher. All the students did very good performance, and parents use a lot of support, and our correspondent sir,
white glass lalena sai sir,
they also did give
white color glass lalena so
Vijay sir, our correspondent sir.
kamte se utha jara
Very good, Amma. Keep it up. We
super.
No words to explain your greatness. Little kids you are. Okay, students, very good, and keep it up. Thank you to Rajesh sir, Vijay sir, and our Suman sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, really, thank you very much for the Venkatesh